Is your laptop starting to look dusty, greasy, or just plain dirty? Before you grab the nearest tissue or cleaning spray, stop. Cleaning your laptop the wrong way can scratch the screen, damage the keyboard, and even short-circuit the internal components. So today, I'll show you how to clean your laptop safely without damaging it. Step 1. Power off and unplug. Always start by turning your laptop completely off. Not sleep mode, not hibernate, fully shut down. Then unplug the charger and remove any connected accessories. This keeps you safe and prevents accidental damage if liquid touches the wrong spot. Step 2. Cleaning the exterior. Use a soft microfiber cloth, not a tissue, not a paper towel. Paper-based products can scratch your laptop's surface. Gently wipe the top cover, bottom panel, and sides using slow, consistent strokes. If there are stubborn smudges, lightly dampen the cloth with water. Never spray anything directly onto the laptop. Step 3. Cleaning the keyboard. Keyboards collect dust, crumbs, and oils from your fingers. Start by turning the laptop upside down and gently shaking it to remove loose particles. Then use a can of compressed air to blow debris out from between the keys. To disinfect, use a microfiber cloth with a tiny bit of 70% isopropyl alcohol. This evaporates quickly and won't seep under the keys. Never use strong cleaners or bleach. They can fade or damage the key labels. Step 4. Cleaning the screen. Your screen is the most fragile part of your laptop, so be extra careful. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe in circular motions. If you need more cleaning power, use a screen-safe cleaning solution or simply mix distilled water with a little bit of white vinegar. Spray the solution onto the cloth, not onto the screen, and wipe gently. Avoid ammonia-based cleaners, which can strip anti-glare coatings. Step 5. Cleaning the vents and fans. Dust buildup in your vents can cause overheating. Use compressed air and blow short bursts into the vents along the sides or bottom. Don't blow continuously, that can push dust deeper inside. This helps your laptop run cooler and extends its lifespan. Step 6. Don't forget the ports. USB, HDMI, and charging ports collect dust too. Use compressed air to clean them gently. Never insert sharp objects or metal tools. Final step. Let everything dry. Before turning your laptop back on, make sure every surface is dry. Even a small amount of moisture can cause problems. And that's it, a clean, safe laptop without the risk of damaging anything. Do this once every few weeks, and your device will look better, run cooler, and last longer. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.